Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a pie chart in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to open Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now here, once you are in this window, you will find the ribbon at the top with all these tabs. So what we can do is we just need to simply click on the Insert tab, which is the third tab from the left. And here you'll find Chart. Click on that. And this window will appear, Insert Chart. Now in the list of all charts, you will find Pie. So click on that. And then you can simply choose the style. If you want this one, the 3D pie, pie of pie, bar of pie, and a donut. So it's up to you. Now let's go with this more artistic one, the 3D pie, and click on OK. And there you go. You can also edit the data from here. You just need to simply type your data in this dialog or in this window to change the data into your own data. And once you're done, simply close this window. You can also change the color from here for the chart styles. Click on this drop down arrow and you can choose the style for your pie. Then you can also chart styles, the color. So you can choose that from here, like that. And that's it. That's how you can easily make or insert or create a pie chart into your Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.